Hello guys, in this video, I will give you an honest review of the Settlemate app, including its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right tool for you. So for a quick overview, Settlemate is a finance-focused app that simplifies cross-border settlements, aiming to help freelancers and small businesses to handle international payments without the typical hassle. So for its pros, number 1, user-friendly interface. The app is clean and easy to navigate even for the first time users. Number 2, fast transactions. Settlemate delivers relatively quick transfers compared to old bank-based systems. Number 3, multi-currency support. This is great for users who deal with different currencies, offering competitive exchange rates. Number 4, built-in invoicing. You can generate and send invoices inside the app, which streamlines your workflow. Number 5, no setup fees. Signing up is free and requires no initial deposit, making it risk-free to try. And now for its cons. Number 1, its limited availability. The app is still not available in many regions, especially in Africa and Southeast Asia. Number 2, no web dashboard. The app is mobile only, which may be limiting for those who prefer desktop interfaces. Number 3, no crypto integration. While many fintech apps now support crypto, Settlemate does not, at least not yet. Number 4, customer support lag. Some users report delays when reaching out for help or clarification. So, for final verdict, Settlemate is a promising app for freelancers and small businesses working internationally. If they improve regional availability and add a desktop or crypto support, it could become a market leader. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.